I'm back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar and salad bar. 9,000 subscribers, guys. Growing strongly, mighty and powerful. I want to take the time out to say thank you so much for your support and for the time, leaving your comments and also watching the video and also telling a friend and also subscribing is so much, but all I can do is to take the time and say thank you so much, guys. We always have new stuff coming, you know what I mean, bits and pieces, you know what I mean. We just upload video like 2 times a week or probably 3 times a week or probably 1 time a week. Alright, guys, but we will set in a foundation which is going to be working, which is coming up very soon, of different kind of recipe we will uploading also. But I want to take the time to say we are at that moment we are 9,000 subscribers and we're growing, and I want to take the time to say thank you guys for subscribing and leaving a comment. Hopefully you guys will leave a comment in the description box, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned from Chef Ricardo and the team. I love you all.